Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to add funds to Xbox account and add money fast. Go to settings, then go to account, then go to payment and billing. Now click on payment options, then click on add a new payment method. You can add payment methods by using credit or debit card and PayPal or mobile phone. Then go to main menu, then go to Microsoft Store. From the left, go to redeem, add the gift card code here to redeem, or select the game you want and click on it. Then go to buy. Now click on add a way to pay. Then click on redeem a gift or click on add a way to pay. By following the steps, you can add funds to Xbox account and add money fast.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.